Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to configure and set up your custom properties on the new product page format. What this will look like is when you go into here, example, the mug, and you have a sample text input, you have an upload option and a select option and a add note option. So once filling all these out, go into here and we can choose an image, text, selection here, and testing. Once I add the cart, I can have a upsell and I do not want to add anything, so I'll go into complete purchase and you'll be able to now see that there is the input here, the upload, the option color, and also my note testing all in the product form. This really does help with uh, removing of apps and third-party services that require you to have this in the back end, and it is not slow down your speed. Uh, so this is what it'll look like, and it will be part of the product form. So to do this, you're going to go into your Ecomify theme for version 2.2.3, and you're going to go and click customize. What you'll be able to see is you can go and enter on the product page right over here, products and your default product, or just go to your first product and you'll be able to see it. Right down here, you have your product template, and then scrolling down, you'll have you'll have personalization fields. These are ads blocks, and you can add more personalization fields if you would like. The first input personalization field I'm choosing as a text, and then I'm choosing my label, which is sample text input. So this is just default. You can put any text here, and then your placeholder, your full name, and then also values. So what this means is this applies only if the type setting selected above is a select, radio, or checkbox. So this means this will not show unless you're going to make it a checkbox or a radio option, which are dots, or if you do a select, which are drop downs. So these only work if you're selecting these three types. So this is just going to be a text type. And then also you can have the option to have it required or not, and this means that they cannot completely fill out the form unless they fill out the input field, which is required. The next option is a file upload. You can do this, and this comes with the theme itself. You do not need a third-party app for this. So file upload. So I'm doing a file upload option, a label, which is upload a file, and then also I'm just going to leave this empty, and then leave this empty as well, and this can be required. The next option here is going to be a select. We gave you these as a default to show you how it looks. Select option, and then also placeholder for a name, and then also you can leave these blank because you can leave these blank, or you can change them out to select, radio, or checkbox, and there it's under select, so it's going to be blue, green, or white, which are these selected right here. The next one is not hidden, so it's going to be a text note. So that is the text area of this, and you can have a label and then a placeholder text like this. You can have as many personalization fields as you want. We did hide more of them just to show you what they look like, the options. Personalization field, this is going to be a date. So you're choosing a date and then arrival date here, and then they'll be able to choose from a calendar the date. This will be all information collected when they click add to cart and on their cart page. Or a cart slide out. The next one is a checkbox. As you see right down here, these are checkboxes. The next one are the radio options, and again another one for just a text. So this really does give such a great value and opportunity to gather information that you need and really personalize your form, especially with the upload option. This is something that is not part of usually a Shopify theme, and so we have added this for free with this theme. This is for testing purposes only. When a customer does check out with the input fields, this is an example. They're going to have the name, an upload option, and then I selected another option, and they can go and click on this. And when they click on this, it's going to be downloaded as a WebP format, but you can save it as a PNG or a JPEG as well. But you'll be able to see in the orders the image here. This is really great for customization for if you have a homemade product line, or if anything is handcrafted, or portraits, things like that that your customer needs to send image files to. This is a perfect opportunity for you to grab this.